We've got a big, beautiful buzzword in the electronics industry, and that is Edge AI. Mark, what does that word mean to you?
Edge is such a huge category, but it's really a spectrum, and we have to treat it like a spectrum, in my opinion. On the high end are the things like your mobile device or any car you drive, and on the low end are what would be termed as maybe endpoint side of the edge spectrum, and that would be portable things or wearable things that are small. They have small physical size, long battery life, those type of things.
So
both have different needs.
You've got everything from smart glasses to a modem.
Exactly.
And everything in between.
Yeah, and what Alif wants to do, and what we are doing, is playing in the space along that spectrum from the low end and moving our way up with every new product series we launch that are all compatible and scalable. Our latest product series, our latest generation product series now can do generative AI at the MCU level. So now we're taking that lower side of the endpoints and bringing it up to scale, and think of now smart glasses that can interpret language. That's how the endpoint sides creeps up the scale toward the edge side. Alif has solutions all along that path. We continue to release new products, and we'll continue to do so as we move up the path. Eventually, that difference or gap between edge and endpoint will be blurred or gone, and Alif plans to enable that.
Great. Some old wise man once told me that the Edge AI is really the next boom, just similar to how the .com.
Yeah.
It sounds like Alif is really embracing that transition.
The boom has already happened on the high end of edge with mobile phones and things like that. But now moving at the lower end and raising the capability of the lower end to bring them toward it, that's where a lot of the development is happening now. And Alif is supporting that with scalable solutions all the way up that chain.
As someone who's heavily involved in the industry, what do you believe is the future of Edge AI? Where is it taking us, and where are we going?
Yeah, there's a huge area of change, and people who have accessed AI in the cloud have done that for decades using a keyboard, a screen, and a mouse.
Yes.
That's going to come to an end, or at least be replaced to a large part by different means to access AI in the cloud. And that's not going to be through keyboard and mouse. It's going to be through things you wear in your body or sensors near your body, such as smart glasses, where eye movement is part of your choices, or gestures to make your choices, or audible commands, and also even situational awareness sensors around you. So once all those things are done locally, the need for a keyboard and mouse is diminished. And think of applications like an emergency room doctor, or a first responder, or teaching, or elderly. Those people will benefit from AI on the cloud, access to that in accelerated local AI to make it just seamless.
Right, and as a man with his hand on the pulse of Edge AI, what are the trends that you've been seeing coming up in the last 2-3 years?
Devices are getting smaller, lighter, battery operated for longer periods of time. Really, they're becoming more responsive. And that's so annoying when you have to wait. It's got to be real time. So the response time is going up, the accuracy is going up, the completeness is going up, and they're just becoming more useful. And eventually, like, smart glasses are getting smaller and not clunky. And people won't know that we're wearing these devices in the next coming years.
Beautiful. Great to sit with you, Mark.